Hi fellow designers, you welcome to another tutorial video where I'll be sharing with you 5 premium sans serif fonts for your next design project. So let's get started. The first one is the first one is Cow Sans. So let me show you how the font looks like. No, not this. Cow Sans, CAL. This is it. Sans. Sans is a very nice and premium sans serif font that you will definitely love. I just got to know about this font like few months ago and it's really been nice. It's been so nice. So let me show you the wonders that this font can do. Okay, so I'll be using it for most of my designs and trust me, it has been so nice. Sans is, can you see, you just place it on your design like this, then adjust it. You can reduce the line spacing or just leave it like this, but I think it's perfect like this. Then you just place it like this and arrange your text. It is so perfect. This font, trust me, is so nice. So the first one on the list is Cow Sans. You can get it from that. I think that font as the font is, or just go to your Google search and type Cow Sans font. It will bring different websites that has that font for you. Then you just download it. Okay, so the second font on the list is sorry about that. The second font on the list is Gilroy. Gilroy. This is Gilroy. Gilroy is a very nice sans serif font. Yes, this font are just so nice. That's why I just like, okay, let me share this font with you guys because I can't just keep it to myself. The fonts are just so nice. Gilroy is a very nice font. Gilroy has it's a font family. Gilroy is a typeface and it has different fonts under it. But Sans is just one. It does not have any font under it. It is just a typeface. It does not have any font under it. Can you see? There's Gilroy Black, Gilroy Bold, Gilroy Extra Bold, Gilroy Heavy, Gilroy Medium, Gilroy Semi Bold, and many more. Okay, so can you see that? It is very nice like that. Gilroy. Download Gilroy to trust me, you will love this font. So the next one on the list, the third font on the list is one nest. One nest 2 is a font, sorry, is a typeface and it has different fonts under it. It has one nest black, one nest bold, one nest extra bold, one nest light, one nest medium. You can use this like this one nest typeface to create, like, you can use it for all your design. Like, you don't have to like use another font. Like, after using the walnut bold for your heading, then you can just write your subheading, learn how to bake or create great cakes and pastries. Good. Then you just go to the font and type honest. Then you write the regular. Click on the regular. Then you just adjust it like this. Then you just adjust it like this and increase the line spacing, so you don't even have to use another font for your design. You can just use oneness for everything. Then you just use the different typefaces available. You get like that. So that's how it works. Oneness is a very nice and very font. You should try out. Trust me, you are definitely going to love it. So the next one on the list is after oneness. I think that's three. The first one is Carl Sans. The second one is what's the name? Gilroy. The third one is Oneness, and the fourth one on the list is, okay, let me check out, Urbanist. Urbanist too is nice. It's very, this one just no, they don't really look alike, but they're nice. They look kinda alike. Urbanist too is nice. It's a typeface and has different fonts under it that you should try out. Let's check the fonts that are under Urbanist. Urbanist. So there's Urbanist Black, there's Urbanist Black Italic, there's Urbanist Bold, Urbanist Extra Light, Extra Bold, Medium, Regular, Semi Bold, Thin, Italic, Semi Bold, Italic, and many more. And many more. You can just download it and start enjoying. Enjoy the fonts. Enjoy them. These fonts are so nice. You don't have to like start using low quality font or font that are not so nice on your designs when they are beautiful fonts, premium fonts to use on your designs. So Urbanist is a very nice font, a beautiful font you should try out. So the next one on the list is what's the name? PP. Is it PP? PP movie. PP movie. I also just get to know about this one. I think it also has the bold, but I think I deleted it. It has the bold and it has semi bold, it has medium, it's a typeface and it has different fonts under it. So you should try it out. I've not tried this font out. I just downloaded it and I decided to share it with you all. But I think it's really nice. Look at the way the A is. It is so beautiful. Look at the A, very beautiful. So you should try it out. This is very nice. PP Mori. Let me show you how it looks like. PP Mori 2. It's a very nice font. This is it. PP Mori. Just go to your Google and type PP Mori. Then they'll show you a different website that has the font. Then you can just download it from the website of your choice. So that will bring us to the end of today's tutorial. So let me show you. I shared this tip on my Instagram page on Monday. Yeah. So for you to like stay updated on all these design tips, I share design tips on my Instagram page. So here is it. I've shared it there already. Steal this 5 premium sans serif font for your next project. So you can just like I'll drop the link to my Instagram page in the description. You can just follow so you don't miss any of this content, or you can just check my no, don't worry, I'll just drop it in the description for you. Then you just check them out. I can check some other tips that I've dropped there that could be of help to you on my Instagram channel. Sorry, on my Instagram page. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on post notification for more amazing tutorials from the Creative Queen. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.